Hi everyone, today I'll share how I solve exercises 1 to 5 on 8086 addressing modes and assembly programming. I'll also explain how I figure out each answers so you can see my thought process. Exercise 1. Identify addressing modes. So the first step is to identify the addressing mode for each instruction. I always start by asking myself, is the value coming from a register? That is register addressing. Is it a number in the instruction? That is immediate addressing. Is it memory? Then I check how the memory address is calculated. So, for example, MOV AX, BX, both are registers. So, register addressing, that is register addressing. MOV AX 1, 2, 3, 4 each. The memory address is written directly. That is direct addressing mode. MOVAL SI. SI points to memory. That is registered indirect addressing mode. MOVBP plus DI AX uses BP and BI. That is base index addressing mode. MOVCX BX plus SI plus 0HH. That is base index with displacement. And I continue like that for the rest of the numbers. Basically, I look at the source of the value and how the CPU would access it. So next is exercise number 2, writing code. Next, I wrote small snippets to demonstrate each mode. The trick is simple. Make sure the instruction matches the mode rule. So the MOVAX5588H, that is immediate addressing mode. Register addressing mode is MOVAXBX. Direct MOVAX 1, 2, 3, 4 each. Excuse me po. Register indirect MOVAX SI. Index MOVAL DI plus 10H. Base index MOVAX BX plus SI. When I write it, I picture where the value is coming from and where it is going. Exercise 3, address calculation. So, then came physical addresses. So, I use the formula. The formula is physical address equals segment times 16 plus effective address. For MOVAX 1000H, direct addressing, segment is equals to 2000H times 16 plus 1000H is equals to 21,000H. For MOVAX BX plus SI 10H, it is 55,5565H, then 2000H times 16 plus 5565H is equals to 25,565H. I just carefully add the hex values step by step. Exercise 4, debug and analyze. The snippet was MOVAX is equals to MOVAX SI 2000H, add AX SI plus 10H, MOVDIAX. I first check the addressing mode for each lines. MOVAXSI, that is registered indirect addressing mode. MOVSI 2000H, immediate addressing mode. Add AXSI plus 10H, base index plus displacement. MOVDIAX is equals to register indirect addressing mode. Then to find AX, 2000H is equals to 1234H. 2010H is equals to 5678H. So 8X is equals to 68ACH. The key here is to substitute memory values and do operations step by step. Last but not the least, exercise number 5. Practical program. Finally, a small assembly program. I look at where the value comes from and where it's going. Then choose the mode. Load 0xABCD, that is immediate addressing mode. Store at 3000H, that is direct addressing mode. MOVAX0ABCDH, MOV3000H, AX. Retrieve value, that is direct. MOVAX300H, AX to BX, that is registered. MOVBXAX, store BX at memory pointed by BI, that is registered indirect addressing mode. MOVDI400H, MOVDIBX. It's all about thinking. Where does the CPU read the value and where does it store it? That tells you the addressing mode. So, and that's how I solve exercises 1 to 5 by checking operands, matching them to addressing modes, calculating addresses carefully, and writing the program step by step. Thanks for watching.